This video is going to show you how to connect your Android device and operate the app. The iBEAM TE-DVR-W connects to an app for smart devices to check positioning and video playback. First, download the app Wi-Fi Car DV from the Google Play Store. Start by opening the app and pressing the red circle in the center that says Connect. This will bring you to the Wi-Fi settings of your device. The TE-DVR-W can show up in two ways depending on the time of purchase. It will either show up as the part number, with some numbers after it, or as 8136S_ with some numbers after it. Select the dash cam and enter the password indicated in the instruction manual and press Connect. The phone should connect with no internet. Depending on the OS of the phone, it will ask for permission to connect to the device since it is not a trusted device. Check Always Allow this network and hit Trust for Now to continue. Proceed back to the Wi-Fi Car DV app. If needed, the back button may need to be pressed, or reopening the app, and try to connect again. Hit Consistent to continue. Then you will see the visuals of the camera pop up and the different settings and options within the app. To change the settings, hit the bars in the top right of the screen. You will need to stop recording to change the settings. Pressing Snapshot will allow a photo to be taken. You can also press the mic to record or not record audio. Below the mic icon is a full screen icon. This will change the visual to full screen. If you hit stop, it will stop the recording and the icon will change to start. Pressing the start icon will start the recording again. You can also view the recorded videos and photos stored on the microSD card in the videos list. For more information, visit iBeamUSA.com. Don't forget to hashtag iBeamSafety on all your social media platforms.